Ever wondered how to shop for high-quality men's clothing? It's an art, really. High-quality clothing is defined by its superior fabric, craftsmanship, and longevity. It's not about having a lot, but having the right pieces that last. The three pillars to consider when investing are fabric quality, brand reputation, and value for money. Each element contributes to the overall worth of an item and its potential to become a timeless staple. Unlock the secret to a timeless and stylish wardrobe by understanding these key factors. The foundation of any high-quality clothing is the fabric. It's the very material that will wrap around your body, dictating how comfortable you feel and how long the garment lasts. In men's clothing, you'll encounter a range of fabrics. Cotton, for instance, is known for its breathability and durability, making it perfect for everyday wear. Wool, on the other hand, offers superior warmth and is typically used in high-quality suits and winter wear. Linen, though less common, is loved for its lightweight and cooling properties, ideal for summer outfits. When assessing fabric quality, consider the weight, weave, and finish. High-quality fabrics tend to be heavier, indicating a higher density of fibers. The weave should be tight and uniform, a sign of meticulous craftsmanship. Lastly, the finish. It should be smooth without any pilling or loose threads. Remember, quality fabric translates to longevity and comfort, a true mark of high-quality men's clothing. The second key factor is the brand's reputation. A brand's reputation can be a strong indicator of the quality of their clothing. It's more than just a name or logo, it's a promise of reliability, consistency, and excellence. To evaluate a brand's reputation, there are several methods you can use. Reading customer reviews can provide you with first-hand accounts of the product's quality and durability. In addition, checking if the brand has received any industry awards or recognitions can also be a good sign of their commitment to quality. Remember, a brand's reputation isn't built overnight. It's a reflection of years, sometimes even decades, of delivering high-quality products. A reputable brand often equates to a safe choice when investing in high-quality men's clothing. Lastly, consider the value for money. It's all about the concept of cost per wear. You see, cost per wear is calculated by dividing the price of the garment by the estimated number of times you'll wear it. So, a pricier, high-quality piece that you wear frequently may actually cost less per wear than a cheaper piece that you only wear a few times. High-quality clothing might initially be more expensive, but it's built to last. It's durable, it's timeless, and it's versatile. Over time, these quality pieces can actually save you money. Not to mention they elevate your style and confidence. In the world of men's fashion, value for money is often found in the longevity and versatility of a piece. So, how do you shop for high-quality men's clothing? Well, remember to prioritize fabric quality, consider brand reputation, and understand the concept of value for money. With these tips in mind, you're now equipped to build a wardrobe full of high-quality, stylish pieces that will last a lifetime.